This story starts with a cup of tea. So, after a long time, we have decided to go for a trekking. And after driving through these beautiful scenic roads, we have reached the parking place. The entry point for this trekking is at the opposite of this parking area, where the ticket will be checked for this trek. Yes, you need to buy ticket from My Eco Trip before starting this trek. Welcome back everyone. We have come for a trekking this weekend, and this place is Mahakali Durga, and this has been opened from I think last week, and everywhere there are arrow marks which will take you to the up to that hill. We have completed only 25% of the trek, and the view is this. There is one common thing in every trek, that is the view gets better and better with the height. And at this point of time we could sense how beautiful it would be from the top. That is the place where it seems a little tricky, because if it is raining it might be slippery. So yeah, that is the only part which seems like a bit tricky. The exact calculation is 83% of the trek we have completed, and that's the final destination, where there is a fort, and I think there's a temple as well. So yeah, we'll reach there soon. And this is 100% of the trek. So yeah, we are at the top of this trekking point, and this is the reward you will get when you reach to the top. So this is the view you will get to see when you will reach the top, and watch this video till the end to know all the information and see how this place is, and I will show you the beautiful views which I have captured. This trek is not that difficult trek as people say. It's very easy, and you can easily do in 2 hours if you'll take enough rest, and if you don't take any rest, probably you can finish it off in 1 hour. This place is only 80 kilometers, or I guess 70 kilometers from Bangalore, and there is a parking place here where you can park your vehicle. Just in Google Map you can search Mahakali Durga parking, and it will take you to the exact parking spot. And when you park your vehicle there, just opposite, once you cross that railway track, just opposite, there's the entry point or trek start point, where there will be a guard who will check your tickets. If you have to book in advance from My Eco Trip. I don't know if they take the booking instantly here. And yeah, we'll spend some time here and we will go back. this is Gunjur Lake, which is nearby this Ma Kali Durga trekking place. You can plan to visit this place as well. The water is not that much clean, but yeah, the view is still very good. You can obviously spend some time in the evening here. I hope you guys will like this video, and if you do like, please do subscribe to my channel and leave any feedback if you want, or if you need any information, you can comment below so that I will try to answer. Before ending the story, I just want to say thank you all for watching and stay safe.